Brian here with MCP Soft Wash out of Yorktown, Virginia. We're out here in York County today off of Dare Road. I'm just going to give you a little demonstration of our soft wash method and how everything works. So here we are applying the solution. As you can see, the nozzle we're using is a garden hose nozzle. We can reach 2 stories. We'll be able to hit this whole side all the way to the top from the ground. It's a little windy today, so we may need a step ladder. Springtime is here. If you're interested in having your home clean, give us a call, 757-868-0420, or check us out on our website, www.mcpsoftwash.com, and you can get an instant quote right there. Thank you. Have a good day.